What's up my good people, welcome guys to Tech Explorers, and in today's video we'll be learning more how you can be able to delete user account in Windows 11. How do you go about it? Let's dive into it. So all you need to do is just click this search button and search for control panels. Search for control panels just right here. So you just need to single click, and when you just single click, it will automatically open the control panels settings. That is your computer settings. So our main point of interest today is user account. This is where you find that is Windows 11, all the user accounts in your PC. So we just need to click user accounts, then just click this user account and proceed. And now after you click the user accounts, this is my administrative accounts, and now if you want to find all the accounts that are in your PC, you need to click manage another account. And when you click manage another account, you'll be able to find all the accounts that are available in your PC. This is my main administrative account. Then go back. This is my main administrative account. Then this is another administrative account, but this is my main, this one that I'm currently using. Then we also have this other account. Now in this case, in case you want to delete a user account, you need to select you have to click this option, that is manage other accounts. Then from there you'll be able to find all the accounts available in your PC. Then now what you need to do is select the account that you want to delete. In this case, I want to delete this account, so I just need to select this account. And when you select this account, you can see here we have several options. You can check the account type. For example, in this case, you can see this is an administrative account. You can be able to place the privileges or the privileges of that same account. But in our main point of interest today is to delete the user account, and you can see the option is just right here. So you just need to click delete. And when you click delete, you can see there is a notice that is before you delete Peter Kariuki account, Windows can save the content of the following folders. All the folders, for example, you have desktop, we have documents, favorites, music, pictures, videos, all Peter Kariuki other files on this PC will be deleted. So the information associated with this user account, Microsoft account, still exists. So even after deleting after deleting all these files, Microsoft account still exists and can be accessed using here. That is, for example, you happen to log into that Microsoft account, I can still be able to access everything that was present in that PC. So in this case, we just need to delete everything. So we'll delete even the files. So we just need to click delete, then proceed delete. And in this case, we'll be able to delete everything that was present in that account. So just a few minutes, just a few seconds, because for the PC to execute the commands. And in this case, we are going to delete everything. That's just why you are seeing this kind of question. Are you sure you want to delete Peter Kariuki account? Windows will delete all Peter Kariuki's files and delete Peter Kariuki's account. So you should be very careful so that you don't select the wrong account, because all those files will have to be deleted. And in case you want to recover those files, you have now to create another account and log in using the Microsoft account that was being used in the created account, so that you can be able to that is to find those files there. You can be able to find those files. So just give the system a few seconds so that you can complete executing. There's a complete executing that command. It's the main reason you are seeing it's a bit slow is because there are so many files that are installed on that user account. I have been using it for quite some time, and it has so many files, so many programs installed, and everything now has to be deleted from that account. And we are at the moment here you can see we are confirming if that is the account that we wanna delete. So just take some few minutes or some few seconds, depending on the size of the files that are installed on that PC. So let's keep waiting, let's keep checking, and you can see now finally everything has been deleted. You can see now if you go to, we have now the user account. This is a user account. This will be the main user account. If I go to manage another user account, you will see now the account that was present here has already disappeared. Simply we have just deleted the account, and that is how simply you can be able to delete user accounts in Windows 11. You just need to be very careful so that you don't select the wrong account and have it important file, because in case you have not connected your PC to the internet, or you have not connected to the Wi-Fi for a very long time, it means that the files from that account might not have been updated. That is on your Microsoft account. So even after you log in using your Microsoft account or another user account, you may not be able to recover all every file that was present on that PC. So you need to be very careful, select the right account. That's what we have today, guys. Goodbye.